What's going on, guys? So in front of me I have the brand new Fitbit Sense, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a restart as well as a factory reset. So the first thing we're going to do is just a restart. We're going to press and hold the side button for 10 seconds. Keep it held in. Now we see the logo, and then we let go of the button. This will restart our watch. If we're having any trouble, it won't erase any data. It simply does a restart. Hopefully that resolves any trouble you have with the watch. If it doesn't, you can also go to settings. Scroll down to shutdown. And this will also restart your watch. Now to power it back on, we're going to go ahead and press the side button. It's going to vibrate once, and then it'll go ahead and turn on. And this simply does a similar reset to what we just did earlier. Now, if both of these don't resolve any of your problems, you can always factory reset the Fitbit. And to do that, I will show you, you have to go to the settings again. All right, so to do a factory reset, which means erasing all the data on the watch and setting up brand new, we go to settings, scroll down to about Sense, and then do factory reset. After you hit yes, this will erase all your data and it will be like you bought it just brand new. So that is how you guys reset the Fitbit Sense. I've gone ahead and looked up the instructions on Fitbit's website, and it does say do not put anything into these holes because none of these are actually reset things for the watch, and it will actually mess up the watch if you do that. So again, that's how you guys factory reset the Fitbit. Let me know if you guys are having trouble down below. Hopefully I can help you out. Leave me a thumbs up if you found the video helpful. Check out my channel for more tech videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe.